Mom, you didn't even order ice cream. Stop being weird.
Let me go. There you go. Sir! Oh. I don't even think he can hear me. You got that shit on his head. He can't even hear me. We were gonna cone you. Watch. I'm gonna cone him. I'm gonna try to cone him.
You can't cone him without no cone.
You just got coned. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, what happened to my shirt? He laughed at you.
Oh my god, all the change landed in my shirt. You
I tried to put it.
No, thank you.
That's the Coke.
Coke? Okay. Did I continue to have a funny face?
Yeah, you were crazy.
He had a funny face?
Yeah, he started busting out laughing.
You think he knew that was a coning?
Yeah, he probably thought
He
you were fucking crazy.
Don't mind us, we're just silly.
Oh,